Kojostricklab is made for trickers by trickers. Over the last few years, over 2,000 of you have helped support us and get us to the point where we've been able to make over 1,000 videos from over 100 different trickers. It all started from me making little videos for my online students to save time, and then I realized there's tricks that I'm not great at, so I paid other trickers to teach those tricks. And from there, we've been able to build the largest source of tricking information in the world. We have over 500 tricking tutorials, 2 follow-along programs for beginners and intermediate level trickers, over 100 mindset talks, over 100 discussion videos, over 60 conditioning and flexibility routines. There's a whole lot on there. And right now, it costs £1 for your first month. That's €1.11. That's $1.23 or something like that. It's very cheap. Now is the best time for you to try it. We've been working on a new website for the last 2 years. Yeah, there's been a lot of delays, but we got there in the end. So now you can use the site easily on your mobile as well as on a desktop. You can search for videos, there's recommended videos, you can favorite videos. Try it out now and make 2021 your best ever year for tricking.